The 2023 Cupra Ateca 4Drive is the latest iteration of the high-performance SUV that has captivated automotive enthusiasts since its inception. Blending sophistication with raw power, the new Ateca brings a fresh level of excitement to the Cupra brand. Boasting a dynamic design, innovative technology, and impressive performance capabilities, the Ateca is poised to make a significant impact in the competitive SUV market. The exterior showcases the perfect balance between sportiness and elegance. Its sharp lines and aggressive front fascia make a bold statement, while the full LED headlights and taillights provide a modern touch. The distinctive Cupra grille, copper accents, and dual exhaust pipes add to the sporty aesthetic, ensuring the Ateca stands out from the crowd. Moreover, the 19-inch alloy wheels with a unique diamond-cut design further enhance the vehicle's dynamic appearance. Inside the Cupra Ateca, drivers and passengers alike will be treated to a luxurious and spacious cabin. High-quality materials, such as leather and Alcantara, adorn the seats and dashboard, while the sporty steering wheel and ambient lighting create a refined atmosphere. The cabin also features ample space for 5 occupants, and its generous cargo capacity makes it a practical choice for families or adventurous individuals. Furthermore, the latest in infotainment technology ensures passengers remain connected and entertained during their journey. Under the hood, the 2023 Cupra Ateca houses a potent 2-liter TSI engine, which produces an impressive 300 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 7-speed DSG transmission and the 4-drive all-wheel drive system, the Ateca can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds. The sport-tuned suspension, adaptive dampers, and progressive steering system ensure a smooth and responsive driving experience, while the high-performance brakes provide confidence-inspiring stopping power. Cupra has made no compromises when it comes to safety and technology in the new Ateca. The vehicle comes equipped with an array of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and blind spot monitoring. In addition, the Ateca features a 360-degree camera system, park assist, and traffic sign recognition, making it easier for drivers to navigate tight spots and stay informed on the road. Buyers of the Cupra Ateca will have the opportunity to customize their vehicle with a variety of options and packages. Different trim levels offer unique features, such as sport bucket seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium sound system. Additionally, an assortment of exterior and interior color combinations allows for personalization, ensuring that each Ateca reflects its owner's individual taste and style. The 2023 Cupra Ateca 4Drive is a powerful, stylish, and versatile SUV that caters to the needs of performance enthusiasts and families alike. Its engaging driving experience, advanced safety features, and innovative technology make it a worthy contender in the crowded SUV market. With its blend of luxury, practicality, and performance, the Cupra Ateca is set to continue its success and attract even more admirers in the years to come. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.